Hey you guys, welcome to Baby Yoda Puncher Part 2. In this episode, I make the bag and a little Baby Yoda to go inside. All this stuff I'm making, I try to use supplies and materials I already have. I have a lot. I have a problem. Most of it's from Dollarama. I base the measurements on a 3-inch wide roll of burlap that I have that I got from Dollarama for like $2, and that's why it's gonna be 2-inch by 2.5-inch with a 5-inch depth. The glue I'm using is a fast drying all-purpose adhesive. I chose it because it's easy to spread and it's fast drying and adhesive, and I'll inevitably, infinitely be looking for things to weigh down other things that I'm gluing together. Now I'm using brown shoe polish to stain the burlap. The brown material I'm using for the inside of the bag is actually inside liner from a cheap bag. I'm bending in the edges so that it's easier to fold. Super glue is generally my most favorite glue. What else? I made the straps out of some leftover pieces of burlap I had, and I'm gonna cut these extra pieces to use for the other strap. This is some black craft wire, also from Dollarama. I'm gonna cut and bend, or bend and cut it into an S shape and then wrap it around to make a little clasp looking thing. Oh, these are aluminum cable ties, and they're great if you just need a little piece of metal. I cut a piece of that, and then I cut little squares of its plastic paper I got from Amazon, and I glued them together to make the little emblem that's going on the bag. Now I'm scoring the inside of the flap to make it more flexible, a little easier to open and close. I cut a little piece of Velcro, and I'm adding a little glue to the adhesive back, because super glue, it makes it stay longer. It's better. Now that that's done, I'm on to Grogu. So I just bunched up a little ball of a napkin I was working with earlier. Now I'm wrapping it with masking tape until I get the shape I like. I'm gonna add some little tape ears. For the color, I'm starting with the neon green and white. That's a little too bright, so I add some Christmas green. Now I'm wrapping the blanket around him, the masking tape. for the last layer, I add a fold to the top so that it stays open at the top. I was looking for some brown paint and I found this color. It's called Nickel Azo Gold, and it turned out to be perfect. It took me a while to think of how to acquire some little black balls for the eyeballs. I found this pack of silicone gel and I emptied it and painted it black. Now just a couple little drops of super glue. And put the eyes on and he's all done. Ready to be proudly displayed inside of a closed bag. Always remember, if women don't find you handsome, get a hobby, and always keep your head up. Peace. Subscribe for more.